everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vivan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a camera and an off button in our Scratch game. So first, what I did was I created my camera costume. So costumes, I just went like paint for create new costume. So then I just made a yellow square, a yellow filled square, a yellow filled rectangle, a yellow filled circle, a dot, and then a rectangle. Then for code, when flag clicked, then go right underneath the timer, show, and then we had to turn our video off. Now to get this video extension, just go into this little icon here, and then video setting, and click on that. Then I got it here. So when this sprite is clicked, then we must turn our video off, and we'll broadcast hide. So then all of these things will hide. Then we'll broadcast cam, and then just when I receive hide. So now I went into my phone, and when I receive cam, switch to costume cam cos. Now my cam cos costume actually means camera costume. So what I did was, all around, I made it white by making rectangles which were white filled and no outline. Now the reason why I did it white and not just this white was because what happened is when there's something blank, like for instance, let's say I used this for my camcos, my face or whatever is in front of the webcam would not show inside the phone but around the phone. So for that I had to make it blank inside and then make it all white around, or otherwise my face would show inside and around. So then simple as that, I was like this, I made this, and then let's try. Yes, it worked. It worked. Sub to me. So actually what I had to do was I had to write this mirrored reverse. So if I didn't want to do that, or if you didn't want to do that, so then what you could have done was there is actually turn video on flipped. So let me just do that here. So now this is actually what I wrote, but this, if I do this, this would be like a mirror. So there you have it. So that was our camera. Now for our off button, what I did was I just went here, just a simple short black line. Then I did when flag clicked, go to -93, y -28. Then yeah, then so it just shows like it's underneath like the volume button. It's not supposed to do anything. It's just like a design. So then when this sprite is clicked, broadcast hide, so all these sprites will hide, and then broadcast turn off. So then let's go back into our phone. When I receive broadcast turn off, switch to costume off. I remember that we created a costume like this. Now also, when something is off, we want it to work. We don't want it to work at all. So we go into our control and stop all. So then yeah, that's simply it. So now if we just test out this, if we go into off button, everything's off. Timer, reset. See, everything's successful. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope please like, subscribe, and share this to all of your friends if you found it useful. In my next video, I'll be showing how to create a um sorry, I'll be showing how to create a home button over here and a small draw pad. Yeah. Anyways, I'd like to say thank you again and see you in my next video. Goodbye.